Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are warmly welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support always. I miss you all. It's been a long time I posted. Yes, your girl was going through some transitioning. I was moving and it was hard for me to create content whilst I was packing, and you all know with the kids and all that. But now I am back for good, and so yeah, get ready for more content from me. So just by the video you are seeing, we are preparing this delicious, nutritious fried rice. And assuming you are hosting friends at your home or family, this will be a very delicious addition to the foods that you will be cooking for your family. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as usual, all ingredients will be listed in the description section below, so please do check that. And so in a pan, I have cleaned up my chicken breast, which I have chopped up into bite sizes. I am adding some salt, garlic powder, some ginger powder, black pepper, onion powder, and I will also be adding Knorr chicken seasoning or chicken bouillon to it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. And here I am stirring everything in nicely, making sure that it's all perfectly mixed. And then once that is done, I would add a little bit of water to help with the cooking of it, not too much. The chicken will release its own juices, but I just want to add a little bit of water so that it doesn't burn. And then once I have everything mixed up nicely, I will cover it and bring it to a boil. So after about 3 minutes, I'm checking back on it and I am mixing it again just to make sure that it's not burning and it's cooking well. Okay, so once that is cooking, I am prepping my shrimps, which I have also cleaned nicely, and I am adding in some salt and also adding in some Remy fish seasoning. I did not have just shrimp seasoning, and so I used fish, and I am adding some paprika to it as well. So I'm mixing all the spices nicely and then cover with some food wrap and let it marinate for some time, from 30 minutes. And then I am checking back on my chicken, which is ready, because as you all know, chicken breast doesn't take long to get ready. And so yeah, it is ready, and I will be taking it out of the stock because I would not need the stock. Okay, so in a frying pan, I will add in some olive oil. I have also seasoned my eggs with a little bit of salt, and I would make some scrambled eggs. So my scrambled eggs are ready, and I will take it out of the pan and set it aside. And then I added some olive oil to my pan again. I added my shrimps and fried it for about 3 minutes. Shrimps doesn't take long to be cooked, so don't overcook it. So once my shrimps are done, I would set that aside too. And then in the same pan, I will add in some olive oil, and I will also fry my chicken. So I'm not really deep frying it, just sauteing it in the olive oil just to brown it up a little bit. And once that is ready, I will set that aside as well. So in the same pan, I am adding some olive oil into it, and then I will put in my chopped garlic and ginger, and I would let it fry until it is fragrant or it's browning a little bit, don't let it brown too much, or don't let it burn, otherwise it will be a little bitter. So let it be fragrant. And then once that is done, I will add in my carrot and give it a good stir. Once that is well fried, I will then add in my frozen vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice with your own fried rice, but these are the vegetables that I had in hand. And then once I have sauteed that for about 2 minutes, I will add in my chopped onions. So one thing about fried rice and the way I like it is I don't allow my vegetables to overcook. I just want it to be crunchy, so I don't fry it for a long time. So once my onions are also well mixed and fried for about a minute, I will add in my chopped cabbage. And then I would also give that a good stir. So once that is well mixed, I will add in some salt to season my vegetables. And if you prefer any additional seasoning, you can add it to it and mix everything together. Once this is done, I would then add in my chopped peppers. I had the yellow and the red, and I'll mix everything together. Just look at how my vegetables are looking very colorful. And once that is mixed together, I will add in my chopped habanero pepper to give it some spice and some heat. I love my fried rice to have that heat with it, so I am adding in that, and I will stir everything in nicely. Okay, so once that has fried for about 2 minutes, it's time for me to add in my rice. And so this is boiled rice, which I let it cool down completely. So assuming you want to make this fried rice in the afternoon, you can cook it in the morning and put it in a pan that is a bit wider, spread it out so it can cool down completely. And then I added it gradually to it so that I don't have bumps or I don't have some that are lumpy in it. And so yeah, once I add everything, I would stir everything in nicely, and with the help of my wooden spatulas, I was able to mix them nicely together. And then once that is mixed, I will add in my light soy sauce. I will also add in some oyster sauce. So these sauces, you can use any one that you prefer, but these are the ones that I had available. And then I will mix everything in. So once everything is mixed in, I will taste it to see if I'm okay with the salt, I'm okay with the spices and the sauces that I've put in. You can adjust it. If you have to add more, that is fine. So I mixed everything in nicely, and just look at how delicious and good looking my fried rice looks. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I know you would love it. And so at this point, once everything is mixed in and I'm okay with how it tastes, I will add in my scrambled eggs, and I will stir in that until it is spread out through my fried rice. So let me tell you how my kitchen smells so good. And so at this point, I am adding in my chicken and my shrimps. And yes, family, just look at that. Just look at how appetizing this fried rice looks. And I am adding in my spring onion just to give it that extra flavor. serve this nutritious, delicious fried rice to your guests, your family, your kids, friends, and they would love it. They would always come back for more. So this can be eaten on its own because it has all the proteins in it, vegetables. It's a balanced diet. Or you can serve it on the side if you have anything that you want to enjoy it with, or you can serve it on your family table if you are having a get together. So thank you so much, family, for sticking with me till this point. I hope you did enjoy the video, and if you did, please give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment if you have anything to say about this. If you have any questions, let me know as well. So thank you so much once again, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye for now.